How to fix Telegram? Please check your internet, connect and try again. So if you're facing this issue, very first thing you have to do, check your Wi-Fi, as well as if you're connected to mobile data, you have to also check that whether there is a good internet connection or not. The next thing is that you have to go to the settings of your phone. Now scroll down and find the apps section. Basically you have to find the app management section where all the application which is installed on your phone will be shown here. Now here you have to search for Telegram. So let me just go to the Telegram here. Now go to the storage and clear cache and go to the manage space here, right? And if possible, you can just delete some of the stuff which you don't need. So it will clear all these, temporary files, unnecessary files here. Now the next thing is that it will obviously work out. Now reboot your phone and your problem will get fixed. So this is how you can fix Telegram. Please check your internet, connect and try again.